Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very common problem in AutoCAD Electrical: catalog number missing, catalog number not showing in catalog lookup, or the required manufacturer part number not appearing in the catalog browser. If you work with AutoCAD Electrical and prepare electrical control schematics, panel drawings, BOMs, or electrical design documentation, you may have faced this problem. You select a component, open catalog lookup, and then you cannot find the part number you need. Sometimes the catalog browser shows only a few part numbers. Sometimes the required manufacturer is missing. Sometimes you get a message such as, "No catalog table found for this component type." And sometimes the catalog database itself cannot be found. In this video, I will explain the main reasons behind these problems and show you how to troubleshoot them step by step. So let's get started. Before solving the problem, let's understand what catalog information actually does. In AutoCAD Electrical, a component can have manufacturer information, catalog number, assembly code, item number, and other catalog-related data. For example, you may have a contactor from Schneider, Siemens, Allen Bradley, ABB, or another manufacturer. The schematic symbol itself represents the electrical function. But the catalog information identifies the actual physical component that will be used. This information becomes particularly important when generating BOM or component reports, so if the catalog number is missing, your drawing may still look electrically correct, but your documentation and BOM may not contain the correct physical part information. Let's start with the simplest situation. Select your component and open the Component Edit dialog. In the Catalog Data section, you will normally see fields such as Manufacturer, Catalog, and possibly Assembly. If the catalog field is empty, click Catalog Lookup. This opens the catalog browser. AutoCAD Electrical uses the component category and catalog database information to determine which catalog records should be displayed. Now, if your required part number is not appearing, don't immediately assume that the catalog database is missing. There are several things we need to check. This is one of the easiest problems to fix. Sometimes the catalog browser does not show all available part numbers because a previous search term is still present in the search field. For example, you may have previously searched for a particular manufacturer or description. When you open Catalog Lookup again, AutoCAD Electrical may still be using that search condition. So look at the search field. If there is text already entered, clear it. Then click the search or magnifying glass button again. This can cause the full set of records for that catalog table to appear. Autodesk specifically documents this situation. Clearing the search field and running the search again can return all records for the table. So this should always be your first quick check. Now let's say the search is clear, but your required manufacturer or catalog number still isn't there. In that situation, check exactly what you are searching for. For example, suppose the actual manufacturer catalog number is. Don't search only for a description if you already know the exact catalog number. Try searching directly using the manufacturer or catalog number. The catalog browser supports searches across the displayed fields, and AutoCAD Electrical uses and logic for multiple search terms unless you explicitly use or an exact phrase. So be careful about entering too many search terms. A very restrictive search can make it appear as though the catalog number does not exist. Now let's move to a more serious problem. Suppose you open Catalog Lookup and AutoCAD Electrical says, "No catalog table found for this component type." This is a different problem. AutoCAD Electrical organizes catalog information using catalog tables associated with component types or families. If the appropriate table does not exist, the lookup cannot provide the expected catalog records. Autodesk explains that AutoCAD Electrical can use either a component-specific catalog table or a general family catalog table. So if you see this error, don't just keep searching. You need to investigate the component's family/block naming and the catalog database. Now let's say everything is working correctly, but the manufacturer part number genuinely does not exist in your catalog database. In that case, you need to add the catalog information. Open the catalog browser in edit mode. Find the appropriate catalog table. Then add the required manufacturer and catalog information. Make sure you enter the information correctly. For example, manufacturer, Ferris Schomit. Catalog, your actual manufacturer part number FUCMER1. Description, correct component description, and any other required information such as ratings, voltage, poles, coil information, or other fields used by your BOM workflow. Do not simply invent catalog information. Always use the actual manufacturer's technical documentation or official part number. This is very important for professional electrical drawings. A catalog number is not just something you enter to make the field look complete. It can be used later for BOM generation, component reports, panel documentation, procurement, manufacturing, panel assembly, component identification. AutoCAD Electrical uses catalog information in its reporting workflow, including BOM-related information. So always verify your manufacturer and catalog number before issuing the final drawing. So let's quickly summarize the troubleshooting process. If your catalog number is missing, Step 1, open Component Edit. Step 2, click Catalog Lookup. Step 3, clear the existing search text. Step 4, search again. Step 5, try the exact manufacturer or catalog number. Step 6, check whether the correct catalog category/family is being used. Step 7, if you see no catalog table found, check the component's block name and symbol configuration. Step 8, if you see could not find catalog database, check the catalog database path and project configuration. Step 9, if the part genuinely doesn't exist, add the manufacturer/catalog record to the appropriate catalog database. Step 10, finally, verify the BOM or component report. So that is how you can troubleshoot the catalog number missing problem in AutoCAD Electrical. The important thing is not to immediately assume that your AutoCAD Electrical installation is broken. First check the search filter. Then check the catalog table. Then check the component symbol and block name. Then check the catalog database and project configuration. And finally, if the manufacturer part number genuinely doesn't exist, add the correct catalog record. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other AutoCAD Electrical users who may be facing the same problem. And if you need professional electrical drawing services, including AutoCAD Electrical schematic drawings, control panel drawings, electrical documentation, and related drafting services, you can contact me at. The contact details are also available in the video description. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next AutoCAD Electrical tutorial.